Sinh hăng hòa mà nghi hăng. Hai sinh hăng. Hình hà hăng. Hai. Hai sinh ngon mà. Hai. Ha. Hai sinh hăng. Hai sinh hăng. Hai. Hai sinh hăng hăng. Hai. Hai sinh hăng. Nakaze no pros boys man. Gonna teach them a lesson. Yeah.
Mau. Hayi. Ndimowa kuwe mno. Please kaloku ndingubhuti ngoku. Lo magcwale bhuti.
Okay ke bhuti.
Ewe.
I-timer kwenzeka ntoni nge-timer? Ndibona seyilitshaya kwenzeka ntoni? Yepha ntsango ayichayayo. Ndathemba leya intsango leyayichayayo noba uyikhwelele ntweni leya intsango. Noba yintsango yaseDubai leya.
Ngisifuna xa kuyitime apha. Abantu bahambe ndihleka bendikhombe ezikoneni uba hey hayi timer yakho kwenzeka ntoni?
Hayitani.
Khale ngo-Mr. Miyagi mfondini.
Yo hayitani.
Hayi sineshi. Hayi andiyazi.
Ndiyava kutshiwo itime imkhabile uMr. Miyagi.
Mfondini. Ikhabe itimer yakho itimer. Bengicimba exokeleleyo ekarati. Uthi uba umbehle mna ngosefika ephendlini bambe apha yi. Cabe uphulwe le ndawo itimer yami. Ayikali into yabona ngicisa ayayenza njalo la nto.
Hama ndikushiye ngoba uphezu kwami.
Jonga ibethwe mbambeli imbambo yakrazuka. Umbona njengasayi pha kondlini.
997 998 999
Hayi timer.
1000
Usephi into zami timer?
kathi intoni umphazamisa lento ke hayi suka la medal yakho la medal zakho zimbili
Hayi timer sekuseka ezi5 time medal zami.
hayi sifake emgqomeni ezanto zenza uhlazo ezanto eziya kinti bezange uwine nekapa kule nto katshokwa
Timer gold medal zami.
Ayibona le kwekwe yo ayibona le
Hey hayi.
ngithatha eJapan ngithatha kuDolph ubuqu wandisokolisa uDolph wandisokolisa kwathi cha umuntu omnyama yamazi udlanga onyamese aloku mna ndakhutshwa ngenembe sandikhule ngeoats nenoodles nentoni zinto zangoku ezo kwathi
ukuthi uwine for yonke.
ndingumaster kwathi uyabona apha I think apha ndandiphi eGreece apha ndakhumbula eGreece apha lapho nda-impress uphel apha lapho ndafumana khona uphel apha kwathini ndambetha lo mlungu lowo kwi-first round kwethini ndamthi my girl wawaphantsi
Ungathethe zami izinto nasemgqomeni ushiye
awusadlala nalo boxing oswena and wena ngoluze alo ninetakathana kwamdanzana ubethwa qhopha hayi nyana yo noma utata kwenza kubalisela boy uyabona thathe China apha kuTombo ubuqu yabona uTombo kuza phele actor no Frank wathathwa ngenxa yami aqhawula wena ndamthi mawas ndamthi my girl wowapha kaSathana ndihambe khaba ubani
uTombo lo Jackie Chan.
Ndakuxelela kwathini ucima ndibani uhlange kayibani yabona andifilwa noboy khapha andifila uboy kubuqu kwekwe ndamthi one wangathi uyaphepha ndamjonga ndambiza kwathi ndatsala kwesikamiyakhe ndayicinga umiyakhe Miyakhe hayi andiyamncoma kwathi ndathi ngisathi esajonga ndathi ya
yo
entanyeni kwekho wakolapsa zangaphinda avuke Kancono ndenzeni. Kathiwa dlangi. Yabo anaze ndiyeke ikarati kwekwe. Anaze ndiyeke. Fike ngigqobetha 1000 epush up.
Time.
Mawula amanzi.
Yakuvuka lo muntu.
Uzikhangele emgqomeni ezalenkazana.
Kona time.
Asinawubeka ezinto.
Out of 5.
Z5 into ngolose mo zibronze zonke ndiphathela zona apha. Ndiyabona imetal zami asasazi nezinye ba ndazibeka ndani fike ndijule nje.
Time.
Yo ndiphathela amanzi ka wena.
Okay, time.
Hayi kwethini hey. Yo. Ya, namhlanje senibala ngoyojima elwandle mama. Senibala ngoyojima elwandle. Please apha ndiyenzile warm up. Angagqiba ujima nyana. The whole day namhlanje. Still ndiyamfonela umiyakhe. Uthi khona ile nto kapha. I-China lendifunayo. For championship very boy.
China.
I-China lendifunayo. Ndakhona noba nguTony Ja.
Time.
Funeka ndibe fit ke pha. Funa ukunokha sibebe.
Bathenga ama-China ayabebeka ujimile.
Ndithi kubani? Yawundingasuzivulele yami le nto
Kama
ukama.
ndifuna ubuye ne-S5.
Sabuya
Ubuye
nayo.
ne-S5 time.
Sabuya nayo boy.
Tombo.
Tombo.
Time.
Ngapha yo. Kame point ilungise man.
Okay, time.
Sake ndiyopha phandle.
Komelela amesija mana.
So. So boy.
Bethu Tombo. Believe time. Time buye qho apha ekhaya lapho bethiwe phambi ba umbehle.
Jonga kodwa ngiyibalayo. Ndifuna udibanise nabakhosi bakho. Ungathi unomlomo ugcobani ndidibene naye nosicelo. Unamazi boyito ndifuna i2 man. Bapakanyele mina yes. Unokubonisa boy. Yakuthinta kule boxini uzawudima ikarati ngo. Awufuni wena ubuya nele nto.
Kayima. Zonke izizulile kodwa ngco ubrown belt.
Hayi yebo
ubrown belt ngulo ubetho kokoko kaloku.
Hayi ingqondo yakho ayinangqondo.
Kene ngathi ezinto time.
Mamela ibhandi lama ndibona ewardrobe. The first black then black belt. First then black belt.
Time.
Hayi kwethi ndikuthi. Ndikuthi. Ngibangalo uthemba la boxini yakho. Hayi suka. Oh,
Zimetal zam is. Beki metal zam time zenze zakhe yakho. Manje isuse sezi kwenze bafika abantu babone ba ayize zakhe izinto. Soze kaloku.
Oh, dankie Jolot.
Aw, bossman. Aw, ganam. Right, ngina la man right now.
Yeah, most of 5 man, dankie Jolot.
Hey,
Time no see.
Hey. Mabelana futhi ngezi kaloku nezijim.
Aw, the one shutting bow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you are cleaning your medals, your
Yeah.
cups, man.
Hey. Long time.
Uh-huh.
Long time now. Selipa kule nto kaloku okugqiba kudala uqine ngonqoma ke ndiqine nje
Okay. Yes, Susie dust.
Yeah,
Yes,
Susan
Susie
they
dust.
just poison man.
Now tell me, where did you get this cup?
This one.
Yeah.
Whoa, this one my friend. It was tough.
Is
Yeah.
it?
You know that man Bruce Lee?
I heard about that.
I kicked that Bruce Lee.
It was a tough fight.
Tough fight. Final this one.
He
I've
said
got
he-
it there.
They say no, say that guy. He say he murdered you.
Aye, he's a liar.
Is
Nobody moved me. Nobody moved me.
They say you even kick Steven Seagal.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
No, this one is for Steven Seagal. Hey, it was a tough match, my brother.
Is it?
But you know, Moscosa, Bakosa, Tina, Sanyamezela.
Yeah.
So, he tried to kick me. It was tough, my bro.
Is it?
But you see, Mosanyamezela. Because mna ndikhule ngenembe kaloku besikhokelwa thina ezazo zintwana zikhula ngemovite
I understand. And also this one. What about this one? Where did you get this one?
Yo, this one I get it from where, but it was long time ago. Oh, Frank. Which one is from Tombo? This one is from Frank, ne? Frank Tuze. Yeah.
You kick Frank?
I kick Frank, yeah. Frank.
The one on the television?
Yeah.
You must be joking, man.
Hey, serious, my bro.
Is it?
Yeah. They know me everywhere.
Even Tombo?
Tombo, this one.
Yeah. You must be kidding me.
Hey, well, now you don't
That's why
understand.
you on the paper, man. They say, hey. Your son says, call that old man.
Miyagi.
Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah. Yo,
Where did you get his contacts, man?
You want his contacts?
I want his contacts, man.
No,
I want to big belt, man, bro.
No, I don't give anyone medals.
How come?
You must come to me and I train you because I'm already trained, Mus.
Okay.
You must bring 500, you see.
But I never see your license.
No, lost license, man. License, you must talk about license.
Okay.
No, so getting a license when I'm license in Lula Great Lake. License lapha kume ngqondweni.
But I can see from the caps, yeah, you do know what you
Hayi yo.
Yamazi lo manqindi ne.
Yeah, karate.
Yamkwazi lona ngoko.
Ndiyabetha. Yo, ndiyabetha kakhulu.
Even that.
You know that last time I broke his mbambo.
Yeah, you broke his
Yeah. Man, I was drunk, man. I'm ashamed of myself.
You're ashamed of that?
Yeah, man. But that guy now, don't see me, don't greet me now anymore.
He don't greet you anymore?
Yeah. But I'm gonna try to...
But you also hit me so hard, man.
You know, man, I was drunk, was I told you. I'm sorry, my brother, man. Sorry,
but yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, I am Tana, man. Hey.
Yeah, but you must stop kicking us, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. I was busy, my bro, man.
Yeah, but yeah, I can see here you got nice cuts here, man.
Nice ones, Fit. Nice ones.
I'll see you again, man, when I come back to see you.
Yeah, my brother. I'm still gonna gym today.
Yeah, but what I want to do now, I want you to do for me, you must also kick Brock Lesnar for me, ne?
Brock Lesnar?
Yeah, even Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels?
I'll pay you.
No, Tonga. Let's make a deal. Bring them together and fight with me.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell them I want them to be together on the stage. Me alone.
I'll bring them Friday.
Friday?
Yeah, by 10.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
and that for me, man. Because I'm gonna win.
You must be ready, okay?
Yeah, I'm ready, my bro.
Aside.
So, boys, man, look up the cars, man. Tony Moto. Oh, mhlobo wami madoda. Ngiphathele imatch. Ngingubani? Ha. Mabaze boyithu ngexesha eli-1. Bosumxelela uba ndinako ubabetha boyithu ngezandla ezi-1. Isandla esi silenuka apha siphilisa umoya. Siqale ngale nguBros Lesnar. Ngithi kwa. Chabalale ngene ngapha. Nakho usebenzisa isikhuseli sami. Oh. Yakuba late nje. Endibeka into zami ngendlela yazo.
Hey, umhlola le. Hey. Ayikadlangisa. Hey, yaqoka le. Hey, my bro. Hey, that one. He say he was in Japan. He kicked Bruce Lee.
Yeah?
He say he kicked Bruce Lee.
Yo, ayakhula lamntu. Unayiqondo uTakius.
Hey, that guy is smoking dagga too much, man.
Hey.
He said he kicked Bruce Lee. He kicked also Jet Li. He kicked also who's that guy? Chuck Norris. He also says Steven Seagal. He kicked Steven Seagal. Who the fuck does he think he is?
sayitiki lam
I don't know what's happening with this
yo
guy.
ayini mawa uthe mo lusuba lo ka vela ngcondo ne ngade betwa ngikhole karate vale karate ka lam ekhatshwa yiyo
Yeah, karate,
Karate,
Kandana.
Kandana.
He can't even beat Kandana. He said he will kick Steven second. He's fucking Malay, man.
ayini kule karate lam
He said all those medals, they're gold medals. He got them internationally.
usibile
He stole those.
usibile
He got those medals from his boss.
yo
He stole,
ayini
he stole those medals when he was in the job.
not
I know
asayishiyela
that
inkazana uyabona uba inkazana hayi ngapha kwamandla inota ayinangqondo ntungu
Hey man, it's mal, my bro. It's mal, man. He also lied.
ayikuhlekwa le nto leponi
He said to me on the other day, he said he met Michael Jackson. Yeah, by Kwamagaki. Hey, you're crazy.
hayi madoda ndafika nihleli kamandi nincobela ngantoni ngoku
I'm thinking about the things that were happening in Battlestop.
yintoni
Yeah, yeah.
kabalise fo nendaba uluhleka nam
Yeah, in Battlestop.
yo
Hey. Scarlett's there.
yo hayi ayayichayitika amakalati
Hey,
fondie
they
Eh?
smoke
yo
thick there.
hayi bo
Hey,
enye nikhalati bonso ba ndingabetha ubroli pha
enye ikalati
The other Scarlett there. He said he kicked Bruce Lee. I said, It's only
hayi
Gangisa.
nomatsayilo
I said, it's only Gangisa who kicked Bruce Lee.
ya
Nobody
yazi
else.
kaloku yini thi
hayi kodwa alakhala ndisiwa labo inangqondo
ye madoda hani bazinto ezimandi hama bendidlula nje kandiyaqonga amadoda ahleli kakuhle
Hayi, yeah.
ndisale ecedini ma
okay
yes ndisale ecedini
Okay.
now guys
Yes, conference.
ayinangqondo then
Yes, Malay man. He said he's gonna kick John Cena and Shawn Michael
ayinde foni
in his dream.
iyajimini
I am Poopa Grit.
uzayiva yaqhonywa yaqhonywa ijimi yakho uqhonywa xa ibonisa uba
He must have smoking
yakhawa
dagga, that one.